Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and stay at home. Student, today I will teach you subject English letter J. This is a letter J. J sound J. Now I will introduce some pictures related to letter J. J jar, J jelly, J jug, joker, jellyfish. Yes, repeat again. Jug, joker, jar, jelly, jellyfish. Now I will teach you how to write letter J. As we know, we have 4 lines in our English notebook. We write in upper 3 lines. Student, put your pencil on first line and make sleeping line. One standing line. Turn up. This is a letter J. Yes, repeat again. Make one sleeping line, one standing line and turn up. This is a letter J. Yes, repeat again. Make one sleeping line, one standing line and turn up. This is a letter J. Student, do one activity with me. We will make jellyfish with glaze paper. Student, do this activity at home with the help of your parents. Okay, bye bye.